Yeah, so sometimes when you see like the van build video, you see, you know, the after the behind the scene. So actually behind the scene itself, there's a lot of work behind it. There's a lot of crawling, a lot of kneeling down, a lot of yeah, reaching, but at the end when you see the result, you know, comes out like this, you're really excited about it. But it is a lot of work. It's a lot of work. You know, the details behind the connections, the everything behind the wall. So but when you enjoy doing it, it's okay. You know, you love doing it, so you don't think about how hard it is. Just do it because that's what you like to do. I am installing the counter right now. You can see how beautiful this is. This is light white pine, and our mini size, well, this is medium, 13 by 15 inch, and the full size faucet. These faucets, look at me like that. These faucets, so what you need is a compression fitting from a 3/8 to a 1/2 inch compression. Okay, a 1/2 inch to a 3/8 compression to connect from there to your water line, your water pipe. So these pipes 1/2 inch, so that's it should fit nicely. And yep, this already looks nice. So that's what I'm working on today. Hopefully I can get everything all done today. Alright, you can see took me all day already to do this part, and I'm not been done yet. It's okay. Taking my time to make sure everything looks nice. So it's great idea to use these switches here, and they are cute, and you can wire them different ways if you don't want them illuminated when it's not on. But I rather have it illuminated like that, just in case, you know, you get up in the middle of the night and it's so dark, you see where the switch is at. But some people, that these lights could bother them, so you have a choice to wire them different ways. But they're flash mount, so you know, in a hallway like this, it's not in the way. So, and you can see it's a push on and push off switch. Very cool. And they come in different colors too, you know, blue, green, or red LED round. So yeah, I spent all day on this one. I'm not completed yet. This is done right here, and I need to mount the microwave and think about what kind of door I'm gonna put here. Another thing is I put another 110 volt instead of putting right here, because when I plug it in, it might be in the way. So I put it here on this side. I'll show you in a minute. So right here, it's important to have a 110 somewhere, easy access, either on the wall here or on the side, because we have experience, like I did on mine on here, but it's still not convenient because it's not close enough. Like we hook something, for example, when I'm driving, my wife is working on a laptop, you know, she needs to charge a laptop. I have to extend that wire and hook all the way to here. So now I have on this corner, it's closer next to you know, behind the driver and behind next to the passenger. You can just plug it right here. And also for us, we cook rice on the road. The 110 is very important, you know, to have an outlet here. We just put a, you know, rice pot inside here, and then we just plug it in. When we get to destinations, it's cooked. So pretty cool. Another thing I want to point out is the strut that I'm using. Charlie, he just saw how I did it, because it's, you know, when you install the strut, it's supposed to be, the rod supposed to be up upside down. So I have it upside down. So he just commented to me. So thank you so much, Charlie. I'm changing it the other way around right now. Let's take a look at this. So here's my other 110 plug on this side right here. Alright. Okay, you can see I had this before like this. I don't know why I'm still doing that, because I did it right on the other van, but I guess, you know, it's natural. You see this? Okay, easier to put it this way, you know. Actually, the right way is this, having the rod up. That way the gas inside here, it's, you know, it's settled down to this way, and then it keeps the strut more functional and longer life. So I'm changing to that right now. I still have to do this. To change it, it's very easy. All you have to do is right here, put a flat screwdriver here and kind of pop it a little bit, and then pull it right out, and then just switch it over. Well, while waiting for the aluminum to arrive, it's supposed to arrive today. We've been out of the aluminum for the whole week, so I've been jumping, you know, here and there, working on a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and plus got home, it's already dark. So in some days I only get to connect one wire. Anyways, right now I'm working today. Actually, I got home early today. I'm working on the rear panel right here, where the water inlet, the water heater, and the external spray on the outside, hot and cold water. So we're using the 1/2-inch pipe, okay, and the stainless steel clamps. You can see right here. Okay, you can see when there's a lot of connections, a lot of angles, also a lot of these 90 degrees angle as well, and the T's. Okay, you use a lot of that, so don't forget to order a lot of that every time there's a connection. 2 of these, so make sure double of that. You can see here, I'm trying to not to block any storage room, so that's why I make an angle and have it like an opening right here for little storage or a propane tank or whatnot. So this is where our shower, I mean the external spray is gonna be. So it's also hot and cold water. It comes out over here. This is gonna be our water heater, which inlet the cold on the cold, and then the outlet, and which share throughout shower and the sink to the front. And also this is an outlet for winterizing. So you know, whenever it's cold season and we stop using the van, you go ahead, there's an outlet, you know, you can drain out all the water that's sitting inside the system out. Or if you want just to get, instead of using the spray, if you want to just get the hot or the cold water, you can get it from here as well. Same access. So okay, I'm ready to put everything up. Let's see how it looks. Here we go, you guys. Look at how beautiful that setup is. I just need to connect the gas line right here, and you can see our water inlet gauge, and this is our mixer right here. Okay, hot and cold, and this quick connect right here. Beautiful.